this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete any add-ons on your videos in KineMaster app. So you can see I have here quite a number of timelines, and I have added various aspects on this video. For instance, I have a timeline for text, and I also have a timeline for these flash special effects. For my case, I want to delete or remove these flash effects. The only thing you need to do is to go ahead and tap or click on the timeline that you want to delete. If you also want to delete the timeline of the video, you can as well select it. So for my case, I'll select this, and then on top here you can see we have the option to delete. Go ahead and tap on delete, and then this will go ahead and remove the timeline from your video. Now if I go ahead and play the video from this KineMaster app, you can see that the special effects that were available or were present have been deleted or have been removed. So that's how you delete any add-ons on your timelines in KineMaster app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.